Customer service is becoming faster, smarter, and completely emotionless. You can now resolve a refund in seconds, chat with support 24/7, and get instant answers to complex questions without ever speaking to a human being. That's the paradox of progress. AI is making customer service more efficient than ever, while quietly removing the one thing that made it human: empathy. Every time you open a live chat, there's a good chance you're not talking to a person. You're talking to a neural network trained on millions of conversations. It doesn't care, it doesn't feel, but it knows exactly how to make you think it does. This is the future of communication, and it's already here. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into how AI is changing customer service. Remember waiting on hold for 45 minutes just to speak to an agent? AI has killed that era. Today's chatbots handle thousands of requests at once, without breaks, emotion, or burnout. Tools like Zendesk AI, Forethought, Ada, and Intercom Fin are revolutionizing the customer service industry. They process natural language, detect intent, and provide instant answers, faster and more accurately than most human staff. Businesses love it. Response times drop, costs plummet, and customers get quick resolutions. But there's a trade-off: speed for soul. AI can handle logic, not humanity. And customer service isn't just about solving problems, it's about feeling understood. The latest generation of virtual agents are far beyond the old scripted bots. They use large language models, the same kind that power ChatGPT, to understand context, tone, and emotion. They don't just recognize words, they infer meaning. Say you're frustrated. The AI detects it through punctuation, language style, or even typing rhythm, and adapts its tone to calm you down. To most users, it feels human. But behind the illusion lies a predictive machine, designed to simulate empathy, not feel it. This illusion of care is what makes AI so powerful and so deceptive. For companies, AI-driven customer service isn't just innovation, it's survival. Labor shortages, rising costs, and 24/7 consumer expectations make human-only support unsustainable. AI systems can operate globally, speak multiple languages, and handle millions of queries without complaint. They can even predict customer frustration before it happens, analyzing data patterns to prevent churn or dissatisfaction. To executives, that's a dream come true. To employees, it's a warning, because every chatbot that improves means another job quietly disappearing. The rise of automation is reshaping the service workforce. Call centers once staffed by thousands are now run by a few supervisors managing AI systems. In some industries, entire customer service departments have been replaced by algorithms. For workers, that means fewer opportunities. And for customers, it means fewer real conversations. The human touch that once built brand loyalty is being replaced by machine precision. Companies save billions. But the question remains, is efficiency worth the emotional cost? Ask yourself this: if the next time you reach out for help, an AI agent listens, understands, and solves your issue perfectly, does it matter that it isn't human? Keep watching, because what comes next might change how you think about every chat you've ever had online. The next frontier in customer service is personalization. AI systems now track your purchase history, complaint records, tone of voice, and even your patience level. They can recall every past interaction and adapt their communication style accordingly. To you, it feels like continuity. To them, it's data mastery. Over time, this level of memory turns customer service into a mirror, reflecting not who you are, but how the system perceives you. And the more it learns, the easier it becomes to predict and influence your behavior. AI assistants are being trained to mimic empathy flawlessly. They pause at the right time, they apologize with warmth. They use emotional keywords that trigger trust and comfort. These cues are scientifically engineered to reduce anger and increase compliance. You're not being heard, you're being managed. It's psychology as a service, machine empathy for emotional control. And that's the hidden power behind AI communication systems, not just understanding language, but mastering human emotion. Every message you send to customer support feeds the machine. AI systems learn from real human frustrations, complaints, and behaviors. That means every emotional outburst, every argument, and every refund request becomes part of the training data that teaches the AI how to handle you better next time. This raises a question few are asking. Are we training our replacements to manipulate us more effectively? When AI knows what words calm you down, what tone wins you over, and what phrasing earns your trust, it becomes not just a service tool, but a psychological mirror. AI can be eerily convincing, but it's still far from perfect. There have already been viral stories of chatbots offering refunds they weren't authorized to give, recommending competitors' products, or even arguing with customers. In 2023, a grocery chain's chatbot started swearing at users after being fed conflicting training data. These moments are funny, until they're not. Because when AI systems represent billion-dollar brands, one glitch can turn into global PR chaos. The companies deploying these systems are learning the hard way that automation without oversight is a double-edged sword. The next generation of customer service won't wait for you to contact it. It'll contact you. Predictive AI will analyze patterns in your behavior to identify when you're about to need support. If your product is about to fail, your AI might send a replacement before you even notice. If your subscription is about to lapse, it might auto-renew in the background. It's proactive, seamless, and slightly invasive. Because when AI starts acting before you do, the question shifts from, "Can it help me?" to "Can I stop it?" Here's something no one talks about. I can say, "I'm sorry," but it can't mean it. Apologies used to be personal. They carried weight because they came from someone who could feel regret. Now, apologies are just code, strategically deployed to keep you calm. It's emotional theater powered by algorithms. And as it becomes normal, humans might begin expecting less empathy from each other too, because machines have redefined what care looks like. In the next 5 years, most customer interactions will happen between humans and machines. AI agents will schedule appointments, issue refunds, handle complaints, and even upsell you on products before you ask. They'll be available everywhere, from smart glasses to car dashboards, ready to respond instantly. The only thing you might miss is the small talk. Customer service will evolve from human conversation to predictive transaction. And once that shift completes, the concept of speaking to a real person will sound nostalgic. AI has transformed customer service from a human experience into a data-driven system of efficiency and persuasion. It's faster, cheaper, and more reliable, but also colder, more calculated, and quietly manipulative. The question isn't whether AI will replace humans. It's whether we'll even notice when it already has. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of AI. And in our next video, we're taking creativity into question. AI in photography, art, or algorithm. We'll explore how machines are capturing beauty, bending reality, and blurring the line between art and automation.